When in doubt, bite. Okay, so we're halfway through, so let's get into it. Thought control. Number one, requires member to internalize the group's doctrine as truth, and that means adopting the group's map of reality as reality. Instill a black and white thinking. Decide between good versus evil. Organize people into us versus them, insiders versus outsiders. Two, change person's name and identity. Three, use of loaded languages and cliches which constrict knowledge. It stop critical thinking, stop critical thoughts, and reduce complexities. Four, encourage only good and proper thoughts. We're human. Five, the leader is going to use hypnotic techniques to alter mental state, undermine critical thinking, and even to age regress the member. Six, memories are manipulated and false memories are created. Seven, teach thought stopping techniques, which is going to shut down reality testing by stopping negative thoughts and allowing only positive thoughts. And that includes denial, chanting, meditating, prayer, praying, speaking in tongues. So, number eight, rejection of rational analysis, critical thinking, and constructive criticism. 9, forbid critical questions about leader, doctrine, or policy allowed. And number 10, labeling alternative belief system as illegitimate, evil, or not useful.